Enkulumeni yakhe uNdunankulu ubalule izinhlelo eziyisishiyagalombili eziseqhulwini esihlanganisa ukubuyiswa komnotho, ukwenziwa ngcono komkhakha wezempilo, ukunciphisa izinga lobugebengu nokwentuleka kwamathuba omsebenzi.
For KwaZulu-Natal to thrive, we need a government that is ethical, accountable and responsive to the needs of our people.
uNtuli uchaze mayelana nezinhlelo zokunciphisa umthelela wokuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu njengoba isifundazwe sihlaselwe izinhlekelele zemvelo okukhona kuzo izikhukhula ehlobo nemililo yequbula ebusika.
We are investing in green and smart municipality projects, biogas initiatives, solar PV installations, transformative river management programs, and green and smart municipalities to enhance environmental sustainability.
Ihlukene imbono yamaqembu ombusazwe ngenkulumo kaNdunankulu.
We welcome the speech by the Premier. It does indeed cover the province, cover the challenges that we are faced with. I don't believe that the Premier papered over the cracks.
There's nothing that is really tangible that the Premier has brought since his inaugural speech. The Premier promised to create jobs. We are only told of 7,200 jobs of EPWP, which is something that is really not decent and our people are deserving of such.
Inkulumo mpikiswano mayelana nenkulumo yesimo sesifundazwe izobanjwa mhla zine kuNdasa.